I'm doing the biggest stunt this in Teardown. Well, it's not really the biggest, but it's a cool stunt. It involves this building, that garage, and this ramp. You can probably already guess, but I don't think you truly know the sheer power of this stuff. I died, but that was dumb. Now this video probably won't become a short, and will probably become a 2-minute long video. Yeah, wait, how long can I only become a short if it is a minute or less? Wow. Nothing. That was not how you're supposed to. That was bad, but that's not, when I use the wrong car, it doesn't work. And I hate when that happens. Just because I used a closer car means it goes faster. And it doesn't have the right angle. It went through that I just shot, and it like crushed through the wall and then fell through the floor right there. That was just insane. But wasn't that cool, guys? I hope this doesn't turn into a video that's 3 minutes long. So posting this. See ya.